All right, this is going to be a video on how to use the Train Heroic app. So you're going to start by clicking on the Train Heroic app. It should bring you to your calendar, and it should say your teacher's name at the top for the class you're in. So this is Kaminsky's first block class. At the top, underneath the number 19 here, so I'm on the Monday schedule, there's 3 little dots. They're all black. That's the day I'm currently looking at. The 3 little dots represent the 3 different workouts that are your options. Every day you have 3 choices for workouts. You only have to do one. So you choose which one you want to do, and it doesn't matter, you just have to pick one. Now, the workout options are always going to be a body weight workout right here. So that's usually the first one. And the body weight workout is just using your body, no weights. So you don't have to have any equipment at home, you just have to use your body. The next workout is a speed and agility workout that's usually listed. And then the final workout is with weights. So if you have access to weights or you have access to a gym, then you can do this workout there. Okay, so for today, we're going to go back and do Monday's workout because I already did today's workout. And we're going to do, it's going to say, it'll usually say, I'll show you down here in this one, it'll say start session. Mine says resume because I'd already clicked on it once. Okay, so I want you to notice that everything is separated out by category. So there's a prep or warm up, strength and power section, and those, don't get intimidated by those. Those are just the categories that these exercises fall in. So there's an A category, B, C, D, and E. So we have 5 different sections of workouts we need to do, and then each exercise is numbered under that. So there's E, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's going to be 4 exercises in the recovery section that we'll be doing. Okay, so you're going to go to start session. I'm not going to move this one. So it's going to first ask you a few questions about how you're doing. So your sleep quality. Did you have good sleep? Your mood, your energy level, your stress level, your soreness, and then you're ready to go. Okay, now the cool thing about this app is that at the top here there's always a video. Okay, so you're gonna watch the video and see how to do the workout. Okay, so you're gonna click on the video and it shows you the different parts of the exercise to do. So you click on the play button, it's going to take you to YouTube, which is totally fine. You're going to watch it on YouTube. If you're like, oh yeah, I know how to do this already, then you can skip this part. But the video is a great way to just follow along and do the exercise. So when you're done watching it, you just hit the back on your phone. It also has it all listed here. So 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, 10 flapjacks, 10 grinders, 10 air squats, frog jumps, sit-ups, burpees, okay? You're going to hit back. Once you've done all 10 of those, or all of them 3 times, you can just hit the top check mark and that marks all of them for you. If you want to do them each separately and take breaks in between, let me uncheck them all here, then you would check them each individually all the way down. Sorry, my phone is touchy today. Then when you're done with that exercise, you're going to hit the arrow down here at the bottom to move on. As you can see, there's a running timer for how long I've been working out. So then you're going to come up here to your first exercise. Okay, so it's a push-up crocodile. So you're going to, again, if you want to watch the video, click on the video for that. It looks like we have 3 sets, so 1, 2, 3, and each one has 10 reps. So we're going to do this exercise 3 times, 10 times each time. So do 10, take a break, do 10, take a break, do 10, take a break. So after you're done with each 10, you can mark it and you're good to go. Or let's say I decided I wanted to do 12 on my last one. I can change this to 12 and hit done. So that's another option. Okay, then you're going to scroll down to your next exercise, the pull-up. Okay, so it shows you right here if you did it, and if you used any weight, you would add the weight. You're trying to do it for 30 seconds. The S stands for seconds. So yep, autofill all 3 of those. I did 30 seconds. I didn't do any weight. I'm going to autofill to 0 since I just did body weight. Autofill. Same. 0, 0, and you're done with that one. Again, body weight row. So you could, again, watch the video for an example of how to do it. Again, doing 3 sets of 10. When you're done with all 3 sets, you check them off, you're done, move on to the next one, and you just keep doing that. going through all the different types of exercises. And again, you can change the reps if you want. You can add a set. So if you wanted to do 4 sets of 10, you can do that. That's totally fine. When you're done with this section, again, you're going to hit the arrow to move on to the next section. Now we're in some ab exercises, it looks like. So it looks like I need to do the 6-inch hold for 30 seconds. So I'm holding my legs up in the air, and you can just look at the picture, that might be enough for you, or you can turn on the video. Again, you click on it if you want to watch the video. This gives you some directions, explains how to do it. If that's still not enough, press play, and it'll take you to the video on how to do the exercise. Okay? So when you're done with that, you did 2 sets of 30 seconds. You did the Aquaman hold 2 sets of 30 seconds. You did 2 sets of 25 crunches, 2 sets of bicycle crunches. Again, hit that arrow at the bottom. And then you're on to the next one. You just keep running through it. So as you're exercising, it looks like I missed checking that. So I can do the back arrow and back up and go. And now you're on to stretching, okay? So you're doing all your stretches. Again, you're doing each one for 1 minute. Finish session. So when you're finished, you're going to pick how the intensity was. So maybe for you it was somewhat hard. Shows that I trained for 8 minutes. Now if you're like, no, I trained for longer than that, then you could put that in, and that's fine. You could add a note here to say how it went, and then you're going to hit finish session, and then it's going to show you all your information. So how many exercises you did, how many sets, how many reps. You're going to show that you did all 5 blocks of workouts. There's 5 different workouts sections. You had 4 intense minutes. You had 8 minutes total of working out, and then it goes through that your readiness was a 4.2. Okay, so then you can go to your calendar, and now you're back. So now what's cool is that you can see that all of those exercises are now green on the side and yellow because I did some things different on them. But they are completed. Okay, so and at the top under 19 you can see that the green dot, there's now 1 green dot under 19. You can see for today, the 20th, I did 2 different workouts, so I have 2 green dots. So tomorrow, again, you'd pick the exercise you want to do, hit start session, and begin.